Good morning, I'm Jesse Bradford, and you're watching Blitz News. We begin with breaking news as Storm Lilian wreaks havoc across the UK today, bringing severe wind warnings and significant travel disruptions. The Met Office has issued a yellow warning for winds exceeding 75 miles per hour, affecting northern England, southern Scotland, and parts of Wales. The storm is already causing widespread disruption, with reports of trees blocking railway lines in Wales, the southwest, and the West Midlands, leading to delays and cancellations on national rail services. Festival goers at Leeds Festival are also feeling the impact, as they are being advised to secure their tents against the fierce winds that have swept across the area this morning. Coastal regions in North Wales and northwest England are experiencing some of the strongest gusts, with winds reaching up to 75 miles per hour in the most exposed areas. Additionally, the English Channel has seen particularly strong winds, especially around the Isle of White's Needles. The Met Office continues to warn of potential power cuts, flooding, and hazardous conditions, especially near coastal areas. Travelers are urged to allow extra time for their journeys and to exercise caution, as falling trees could cause further delays and dangerous conditions. As Storm Lilian moves eastward, it is expected to bring its powerful winds over the Pennines and into eastern and northeastern England. If you are traveling today, please check your route before setting off, as further delays and cancellations are anticipated. Stay with Blitz News for the latest updates on Storm Lilian. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our news channel for future news updates.